Right, this time we're finding angles. If we start like we usually do, labelling the sides, I've got the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. Remember that this side isn't in the question, so we'll ignore that. At the top of the page I might want to remind myself so ka and toa. You can draw them neater on your page. Right, toa. So if I have an A and H, it's a cos triangle, so we'll draw that cos triangle out a bit bigger to put some numbers in. I can see the adjacent side is 3.11, the hypotenuse is 5.06, and we're looking for the cosine of angle A. Now one nice line of working, cover up the cosine A, that's what I'm looking for, and I can see that cosine A equals 3.11 metres divided by 5.06 metres. So we're looking for an angle whose cosine value is 3.11 divided by 5.06. Now if I worked out this division here, 3.11 divided by 5.06, I get a value of 0.61462. You don't have to work that out, and there's more places after that. So I want an angle so that when I push the cosine button, I get 0.61462. Now we could play trial and error, we could guess. For example, if I try cos of 50, I get 0.64 actually. Cos of 50 is 0.64. So that's close to 0.61. But instead of guessing, there's a function on the calculator that will find that angle for you immediately. It's a function that looks like cos, it's above cos, using the shift function, and it's got a little -1. Now that -1 is asking a question. It's saying what angle has a cosine equal to 3.11 divided by 5.06. So on the calculator we're pushing shift and then the cos button. You'll see the cos -1 notation coming up. Inside the bracket, 3.11 divided by 5.06, close the bracket. Now angles should usually be rounded to 1 decimal place if possible, degrees to 1 dp. So I'll just try one more together. Let's try this one. We've got the opposite side and the hypotenuse. We'll ignore the third side that's not in the problem, so this tells me it's a sine. If we draw our triangle again, sine B equals 101 divided by 112. It may be that you stop needing these triangles as long as you have one line of working. So O, the opposite side, divided by the hypotenuse. Now we need to find an angle. If I just check, 101 divided by 112 on the calculator is 0.9017, etc. So I want an angle whose sine is almost close to 1 actually, 0.9. Now we can do that immediately by using the sine to the -1 function on the calculator. So in one step, B equals second function and then sine. Put in the brackets, really important. 101 divided by 112, close the bracket. Rounding to 1 decimal place, 64.4 degrees to 1 decimal place.